In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your OneDrive location step by step on Windows, and the best part is that it only takes a few minutes once you know where to look. If your OneDrive folder is on the wrong drive, you're running out of space, or you simply want to move your sync folder to a different location, this guide will walk you through the whole process clearly and safely. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and useful tech guides. Now, one important thing to know is that changing the OneDrive location usually means unlinking OneDrive from your PC first and then setting it up again. So this is not just a simple move and drop process. Don't worry though, I'll show you exactly what to do so you can switch the folder location without confusion. First, look at the taskbar in the bottom right corner of your screen and click the Microsoft OneDrive Cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Once OneDrive opens, you'll see the sync status and a few options. From here, click the gear icon to open the menu, then choose Settings. Inside Settings, you want to open the Account tab. This is where your current OneDrive account and sync connection are managed. To change the location, click Unlink This PC. OneDrive will ask you to confirm the action, so go ahead and confirm it. This disconnects your current sync setup, but it does not delete your files from the cloud. After that, sign into OneDrive again using the same Microsoft account. During the setup process, OneDrive will ask you to choose the folder location. This is the key step. When you see the OneDrive folder location screen, click Change Location. Now browse to the new folder or drive where you want OneDrive to store its files. This could be another folder on your computer or a different drive with more space. Once you've found this new location, select the folder and click Select Folder. Make sure the folder you choose has enough free space for all of your OneDrive data, especially if you sync a lot of files, photos, or work documents. Choosing a location with low space can cause sync issues later, so it's always smart to double check before continuing. Next, complete the rest of the OneDrive setup. Follow the prompts until the sync process finishes. Once setup is complete, OneDrive will now use the new folder location for syncing your files. From this point on, any files you sync through OneDrive will be stored in the new location you selected. If you want to confirm everything worked correctly, open File Explorer and check the new OneDrive folder. You should see your synced files appearing there as OneDrive finishes updating. If your files take a little time to show up, that's normal. Just give it a moment to finish syncing. So just to recap, the process is open the OneDrive Cloud icon, go into Settings, open the Account tab, unlink the PC, sign back in, click Change Location during setup, choose your new folder, and finish setup. That's the full process for changing your OneDrive location on Windows. If this video helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.